से होंगे। अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि आप सबको ठीक ठाक और खैर सर के। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है पेपर क्रोमेटोग्राफी। इससे प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था क्रोमेटोग्राफी डिफिनेशन, प्रिंसिपल्स, क्लास, एड्सॉर्प्शन क्रोमेटोग्राफी and their procedure. Today we will going to discuss paper chromatography. Now let's start. It is an important technique of separation based upon paper chromatography. The principle is used that separation takes place and the results are different in partition coefficients between two solvents. Structure is here. We are taken in a tank cover to prevent evaporation, paper supporter, tank, sample spots, solvent and eluent, principal in making spots and spots of the substance. Now we are going to discuss TLC. What is TLC? Thin layer chromatography. TLC, thin layer chromatography. It is technique in which the absorbent layer is obtained on a glass plate. Evolution is carried out as in case of paper chromatography. Chromatoplates are prepared by an uniform layer, mean that 0.25 minus 0.3 mm of an appropriate absorbent material in the form of a thin layer aqueous paste to clean glass. Size. We are going to discuss size. The size of chromatoplates may vary according to requirements of an experiment. For all ordinary work, microscope slides 25 cross 10 centimeter are used. The glass slides are first washed with the chromic acid and then rinsed with the alcohol and dried by means of hot air. A uniform paste made by treating aluminum and or silica gel with a little blind tag like calcium sulfate and H2O in a mortar. The uniform thin paste or slurry thus obtained is applied on a glass slides by means of a special mechanical applicator. Both these may out available in the laboratories. The coating may alternative be done by dipping as explained below. Preparation of plates mean that by dipping in this method, the absorbent paste is taken in a beaker. Two slides are held together back to back and dipping into the paste. Forced a little time and taken out. The paste is whipped out from the edges with the thumb and forefingers, then made or separated and kept in the oven for drying. Application of sample. The sample to be analyzed is dissolved in a suitable solvents. The solution is then applied by means of capillary on a principal line near on the edges of the chromatoplates. The spots is allowed to dry, and to make it bold, most solution is delivered in a number of solvents followed by drying by means of a dryer every time. Developing in TLC. In TLC, invariable, the ascending technique is used for developing after application of sample chromatography is made into inner layer of the pure and as selective solvents taken in a jar. Better results are obtained if the plate is vertically erect. The jar is covered with the lid, a glass plate. The solvent or mean that element rises at the rate of 1 centimeter in 3 to 4 minutes. When the solvent is nearly reached the absorbent layer of the top, the chromatoplate is taken out and dried. Location. After developing the spots located at its new position, if colored one, it can be easily seen with the naked eyes. For colored spots, the developed chromatoplate is placed in a covered container having iodine crystal. The iodine vapors is absorbed edges of the evaporate contains organic compounds. Brown spots due to iodine interaction appears on the background. These spots are known as chromatograms. Here the topic of paper chromatography is and hope you will understand very clearly. अगर आप लोग को कहीं से समझ ना आए तो आप लोग कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। इजाज़त दीजिएगा, अपनी दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।